Hey everyone, it's been a few days at least since I picked up a vlog camera. I have one camera. I actually have the day off today, or I don't have the day off. I took the day off because my couch is finally being delivered, but our company holiday party is this evening, so it's not really a whole day off, but whatever. They said they were gonna call an hour before the delivery. They gave me a 3-hour window. The window that I was given was 1:15 to 4:15 p.m. My holiday party starts around 5:30. This is Noah, and it looks, oh, this is really dying. Oh, I don't know why. I think my apartment is too dry. The heat really is on very high when I'm not at home. And then I close the windows because I'm like paranoid someone's gonna climb through the window. This is sad. It was doing really badly in the beginning when it was living on the windowsill right over the heater. So I moved it onto my dresser and it was doing really well for a while, but now the top leaves are dying. I've pretty much cleared out the living area in preparation. So I'm gonna move that out of the way. I'm just really nervous about the actual moving of the couch into the apartment because I just have this, I don't know if it's irrational, but I have this fear that it's not gonna fit. I know it's gonna fit through my door, at least I hope so, but I'm nervous about it fitting into the elevator, which I actually don't think it's gonna fit into because I struggled just to get my mattress in there when I moved in. And then that they're gonna have to take the stairs and then they're not gonna be able to turn the couch around the landing. And then they're gonna have to put it over the banister, which I'm pretty sure is what's gonna happen, but I'm just nervous. Oh, that's awkward. I was watching Ingrid Nelson's Vlogmas. She's actually one of the first people I watched when I got into watching YouTube. I want to say this was like 2012, but I haven't really been keeping up with her, and I know she moved to Brooklyn. I just love her vlogs. I like that she has like positive messages. I'm gonna hopefully put down my laptop soon and get back to reading. I'm like more than halfway done with Call Me by Your Name. I'm not really loving it that much so far. I'm halfway in. It's just very, very descriptive so far and very like in the boy character's head. I think it's a little too dragged out so far. So we'll see how I like the rest of the book. It's 2:36. My window that I was given was 1:15 at 4:15 with an hour's notice. I've not gotten a call from them yet, and so they have about 40 minutes left to call me to make the 4:15 window. Anyway, I'm reading, and I was really struck by this here, this part. I knock on the glass panel softly. My heart is beating like crazy. I am afraid of nothing, so why be so frightened? Why? Because everything scares me, because both fear and desire are busy equivocating with each other, with me. I can't even tell the difference between wanting him to open the door and hoping he stood me up. That is the realest thing I've read in a long time. Trying out this new soda I got from Whole Foods. I just wanted to give you a look at how the apartment looks with the couch. First of all, I brought this beauty home from the holiday party. The last time I vlogged was right before I left for the holiday party. And this is the couch. It's like a 74-inch kind of a love seat, but it can really fit like 4 me-sized people. So I gotta figure this area out. My yoga mat is under there right now. It is a week till Christmas right now, and I am not sufficiently in the holiday spirit yet, which is very, very odd and late for someone like me who adores all things Christmas. Lately, I've been listening to almost only Troye Sivan. Today, I forced myself to listen to the NSYNC Christmas album. Okay, I just got home from work. I took the rest of the week off and I am planning basically not to go anywhere. So I did some grocery shopping during my lunch at Trader Joe's. And let me show you what I got. I don't know why I put this up there because it's like taller than I am almost. Back on the ground. I'm trying to eat less sugar, so a lot of these are like salty things. Pita chips. I'm trying to eat actually more whole foods. Organic unfiltered apple juice. A few more of these rice cracker medleys. Some dried apple rings. Blood oranges. Yes, that's so cool. Dried baby bananas. Not sure what the difference between dried baby bananas are and dried regular bananas. Got some gingerbread cake mix. This is my favorite mix from Trader Joe's, but I haven't seen it all season. This is actually the first time I've seen it. Frozen pot stickers. A bottle of pear cider. This was new to me. I love pear cider. I discovered it when I studied abroad in England. They have that, oh, what's the brand? Kopparberg or something from Sweden. So good. I really doubt this is gonna taste as good. Creamy, unsalted peanut butter. It's great because the only ingredient is dry roasted peanuts. And last but not least, some roasted garlic hummus. I can turn on my tree. My friend got me some Christmas presents, which she told me not to open until Christmas Day. Got some new pillow cases. I had these pillows from IKEA already, the fillers, and I just got some cases from H&M Home. This couch is deeper than I remember it being in the store when I tried it out, so the pillows are pretty necessary. Oh, and I didn't show you, this was one of my big purchases during Black Friday, or not really, I got this after Black Friday, but I told myself that 2019 was the year I was gonna learn how to play the guitar. I've been wanting to learn how to play the guitar since I was like 13 or 14, and my parents, my dad especially, used to say he was gonna buy me an acoustic guitar, but then he would say, no, you're just gonna pick it up, play it like twice, and never touch it again. So he never got it for me, and I always said when I got older I was gonna buy my own and play it, but then like with all the moving and the traveling I've done over the last like 5 years, 6 years, I thought this year would be the perfect year to finally do it because I'm finally settled down kind of. I originally wanted an acoustic guitar, but over the last like 2 or 3 years, I'd say, I've really gotten into the sound of the electric guitar. And I feel like the electric guitar is pretty versatile because when you play it unplugged, it kind of sounds like an acoustic a little bit. So far I've learned 7 or 8 chords, and I learned Last Christmas. That was the first song I learned. Last Christmas by Wham. Otherwise, yeah, I am gonna just relax the rest of the week. I have 3 books to finish. Well, actually 2, but I want to try to get that 3rd book in. So I'm just gonna be playing guitar, reading my books, watching trashy Ion Christmas movies, and then I'm gonna go makeup free because I don't intend on really leaving the apartment. I'm gonna use like my honey wash, and hopefully all of these lids, which you can't really see somehow, will start to clear up. And I'm trying to eat a little bit healthier. I'm gonna wrap this vlog up. I will be back in January with my empties and no buy update. And then if you missed it in my last video, I pretty much said that I'm gonna be sort of like slowing things down on the channel next year. I just feel like I'm running out of content. I don't find filming and editing videos as much fun as I used to. A lot of it because I don't have that many like beauty products to review or to show you guys because I'm really trying to do a no buy. And second of all, like my skin has been reacting to like everything this year, so I'm really just trying to narrow down like the number of beauty products that I use on my face. I might do some vlogs, I might feel compelled to do some reviews if I try some products that are really great. I wish you and your loved ones all the best. Merry Christmas if you celebrate, and Happy New Year, and I will see you next year.